Hello, everyone. I am Janet, and today I am going to talk about some places, trips, and experiences. Let's start talking about money. I consider I spent much money on my last trip. However, I think it was fair considering all the activities I carried out, the food I tried, and the experience I had. Now, something about Tunja, the most visited places in May City are the house of the founder Gonzalo Suarez, the Donato Lake, Bolivar Square, and the Metropolitan Basilica Santiago de Tunja Cathedral. Let me continue with one of my most expensive experiences. The most expensive place I had visited in May City is a countryside restaurant named Monteverde Countryside Club. It is located on the road to Soracá town. Now, at this point, I want to share some bad memories about my trips. One of the other things that have happened to me on a trip was 2 years ago when I lost my wallet with all my documents in it. The second one happened on my trip to El Cocuy. I got really dizzy all the way and I couldn't enjoy any of the landscapes. Finally, I want to talk about making new friends while traveling. Yes, I had a new friend on a trip. It happened when I was going to Venezuela. She sat next to me on the airplane. We talked all the way and a day in we shared our phone numbers. Now we text each other from time to time. Thanks.